sing, okay? Hello, hello, hello. Today we talk about Bruno Mars. Now he was born Peter Jean Hernandez, and he was born October 8th, 1985 in Hawaii. I just wanted to read you what Wikipedia said. Mars has sold over 130 million records worldwide, making him one of the best-selling music artists of all time. He has released 8 #1 singles on the Billboard Hot 100 since his career launched in 2010, attaining his first 5 faster than any male artist since Elvis Presley. Ooh, okay. Well, also, there was another place that it said that he sold over 26 million albums and 200 million singles. Okay, the man's happening. Okay, he's been celebrated by Forbes. You know, he just is amazing. Yes, just the way he is. I wanted to talk to you about one of his songs, and it is Mark Ronson's song, Uptown Funk. Now, if you don't end up moving and dancing when you hear it, then something's wrong, because it was done in 2014 and it's great. I loved it. So that was my main focus in making this video, because it was just so much fun, you know. And I went to the chorus, and the chorus is on an F minor. Don't believe it, just watch. So he's repeating that. He starts on an A flat 4 right there. And then he goes and hits, and that's at 105, that we have, don't believe it, just watch. Right there, the A flat 4. And that's 105. And then the second time he hits right up there at a C5, that's at 125 minutes. And then hey, 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 but it isn't up there. It's D5, okay? And that's about 131. And he hits the D5 again at about 240 something. Okay, I loved it. It was just so much fun. And the whole band just gets into the whole thing. They don't hold back. They love it themselves. They're dressed to the nines, aren't they? And what I loved was the end scene at the club, where they transform, they're on stage, they're playing all their instruments. And I wonder if you noticed, at the very end, towards the end, the keyboard player, he has the keyboard in his hand, and he's over there, he's singing the E flat. Not an E flat, an E5. So he hits them several times, but it's just really underneath, and it passes by so quick that I had to listen back, and I think there's about 3 times, but one time definitely you see that it's him hitting it, and it's just so much fun. So I also looked at Locked Out of Heaven, and he's singing an A4 and a B flat 4. And also, I think you probably know this, he was influenced by the 80s band Police. And Just the Way You Are, he hits a B flat 4 and a C5 again. All right. And also, he does falsetto in there, which really sounds nice because he changes it up. He caresses it. He doesn't just sing it loud. He adapts to each song that he sings, and he sings it where and how it needs to be sung. When I Was Your Man, at the chorus, he does a C5 in falsetto, okay? And then he has a mix going in the A4 and the C5, okay? And then Marry You, it sits on the G4 and the A4. And also, he goes up to a C5 and a D5 in falsetto. So notice how he's right in here on the keyboard, around the above middle C, the G, A, around there, and then up into above C5, which is here, the C5 a lot, and then hitting that D5. So that's where he sits in his range. that's the majority of what he's singing, because I went through all of these songs and they were synonymous in this is where he grooves. He loves it in there. And he changes it up with his falsetto and then with a mix. Okay, so Bruno Mars is just an amazement. And I think it's wonderful that he has his wonderful band with him. They are just great, huh? They're really great. They love what they're doing, and you can see it. They have fun. And that's what makes it so enjoyable for all of us. Okay, guys, so what is the takeaway? Is there anybody else you want me to critique and go over? Basically, these are number one people. So many of them just have amazing careers, amazing voices. They've had amazing successes. So remember, you too can have successes in your life. Just keep going. Don't stop. He didn't. He came through, and 1985 up to 2010. Okay, so he paid some dues there. You know he did. Everybody that has made it has paid some dues. Okay, so have a great day. Have a great singing day. And remember, ring the bell, subscribe, tell me what's going on in your lives. And remember, D5. Such a day, such a mighty fun day. Such a day, such a mighty fun day. Ooh. So much fun. Get out, sing, okay? Bye.